So this is a quick how-to on how to clean the buttons on a Maas-Rowe Carillon digital Chronobell. I recommend using a Faber-Castell eraser stick. I get these from Amazon. Make sure it's sharpened to a nice little point. What you really need to do is take something thin like a penknife or a thin little tweaker screwdriver and just gently pry these up. Now, it's good to have two hands because this stuff wants to bounce all over the place. Unfortunately, my screwdriver is slightly magnetized. So this is what it looks like. Now, when you clean these, you're going to want to clean the contacts inside of here. These guys were dirty, so that makes it really nice to be able to tell the difference, to see how shiny they get. I'll use a can to air to blow them out. You can get those at places like Lowe's or Home Depot. And I also do the same thing with the contact. Now, the contact is disc-shaped, so it's got a little convex to it. The convex face is up. And what you need to do is to clean this area in here, and then clean these little contact points, because you want it to be clean where it contacts these two. And simply put the contactor back in. So it's like that, convex up, and then squarely put in the button, and you should be good to go. Unfortunately, there's a lot of buttons to do, so good luck.